After a long day at the range shooting your favorite firearms, the last thing that you want to do is to spend a lot of time cleaning those firearms. The problem with gun cleaning kits on the market today is when I open the lid, it looks like a junk drawer exploded inside my cleaning kit. Krome cleaning kits were designed with three major features from day one. Number one, they were designed to be trim and ergonomic, so that when these are folded up, I can put them in my range bag, and my cleaning space. They take up very little room. Two, these come with all the necessary components I need to do a very good and effective, thorough cleaning job. And then lastly, Krome kits are very customizable. So they come, the components laid out in a certain format right from us, but if you want to change things around, you're welcome to do that, and you have a lot of options here in order to make this personal for you that fits your needs. Krome cleaning kits come in two formats. First format is our compact version. It comes in a tactical version, a handgun version, a rifle version, and a shotgun version. And then our mobile cleaning kits come in two versions. There's a rifle handgun and a rifle shotgun version. And again, very compact, as you can see, give you a lot of components on the inside to do a good job. So next time that you're done shooting your favorite firearms, go out, clean them, and be safe.